What's up, guys? I'm doing a monkey app, late night monkey app, late night monkey app. Don't mind something on my nose. Late night monkey. My nose is just marker. Yo, what's up, bro? Yo, you got a YouTube video, you know that? Like right now. Say something to YouTube. That's all I gotta say, bro. Oh my god. Oh yeah, guys, I'm also talking to my friend on my house phone, cause my phone, I need to record for this, so I can't. Yo, what's up, guys? Oh wait, I was about to say what's up, guy, but I said guys, cause I don't know. Yo, what's up? I can't read it. What does it say? What? I can't read it. Zoom out more so I can read it. Just read it to me. Turn it to, pull it to the right a little bit more. Oh yeah, you're in a YouTube video, but you're boring. Goodbye. My God, bro, I couldn't read. Couldn't read it. Late night monkey. Late night. Bro, you're in YouTube. You're in YouTube video. How do you feel? Bro, you're in a YouTube video. How do you feel? Bro, shut the kids. No, listen, bro. Yo. Oh my God, just don't mind that. Don't just, bro. It's just I'm just gonna not tell much. Mark. Be like, yo, Dad. Oh my God. Oh wow. Let's get it. Why not? Chair? Is that you? Why'd you? Oh my God. Pizza, bro. I'm not gonna eat it. So you're gonna eat the video. How do you feel? Why? Every time I say that, they're like, nah, nah, nah. Cause I'm gonna say something or show you something. It's good. Oh my God, bruh. I'm going to 2P, bruh. I'm gonna invite one of my friends. He crazy, bruh. He calls me. Yeah, I totally got no friends, bruh. Bro, what the heck, man? Is it? Why? We're gonna do 1P for him. Wow, bro. Like, oh, I missed one of his calls, bruh. I'm calling him up right now. If I hear those cars, it's because that I don't, cause outside. If he answers, well then he's not gay. But if he doesn't answer, then he's gay. Cause he always answers, so he's probably not gonna be gay right now. Late night monkey app. Late night monkey app. Songs. I had by some YouTuber called Juvira or whatever. I don't know how to pronounce his name. Oh my God, he is so gay, bruh. No, one person, bruh. Start it up. Late night monkey app. Late night monkey app. So guys, well, I don't know if I'm posting this on YouTube. I don't know. It might be a fail because I'm doing my big jacking off or some crap. But if you see it, you see it. Which is good. Yo, what's up, bro? You're an E. Bro, did you know can't even say that word, but fix your nose, beep. Bro, it's just marker, bro. You think someone punch me? Nah. That's in my nose, because you're like a million things in the nose. Good. What's good? You're an I'm gonna get. Shut the heck up, bro. Juice World, I like him, but I want to talk. What's good? Yo, you're in a YouTube video. Got anything to say? Is that it? Bye. Oh my god. 911. Roof, is that you? And fan? My fan. Wait, I take a new one. Bye bye. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. To the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Well, easy to say, and I don't know if I should get a new phone. I know you, bruh. I'm. Stop popping up. Keep on seeing that dude, and you won't leave me alone, bro. You got hey, where you live? Oh my god. Bitch, what? Hey, Jane, I'm on Monkey App making a YouTube video. That's why I'm not. Shut up, bruh. Late night monkey app. Late night monkey. Like, bruh. Hold on, bruh. Oh my god. Yeah. What's up, bruh? Oh, I ain't face for this one. Is that a pistol, bruh? Shoot it. Shoot it. That's, bruh. Fake, bruh. What? Man. No, I ain't gonna show that. Hopefully you guys didn't see that, cause I ain't gonna be mean like I usually am when people be like, I'm feeling generous today, bruh. Generous. Yo, from a scale of 1 to 10, how ugly am I? Come on, give me a number before time runs out. You got 5 seconds. Am I ugly? Dude. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Late night. Yo, what's good, homie? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Come on, bruh. I don't even think you people can hear me, bruh. I don't. I'm gonna report them. You got reported. Why am I blurry now? Thank you. I don't know. I don't even know if you guys can hear me or not. I just blur them because the music is. I don't like it. I just don't like it. But these people think. Yo, dude, can you hear me? Yo, can you hear me? Can I want a reasonable answer, yes or no. You know, yo, yes or no question. Oh my, man, I don't give a fuck, bruh. Yeah, oh my. Skip me again, see what happens, bruh. Yo, yes or no? Thank you. Thank you. Can you hear me? Bro, I don't even know if they can hear me, bro. Oh my god. Yo, can you hear me? Yes. No. Can you hear me? Yes or no? Can you hear me? Yo, can I got punched. Mm-hmm. But wanna know what I did to them? Wanna know what I did to them back? Yes, I'm here. Yes, I'm here. Wanna know what I did to them back? I beat them up. My friend. Yes. Yep. Dude,